Hello, today we are learning how to play Bad Guy by Billie Eilish. This song only has 3 chords. That's G minor, C minor. So if your ring finger stays where it's at, just bring the middle finger down, add the pinky, or you can do a little bar chord. And D7, the easy version would be to play on the 2nd fret, skip a string, 2nd fret. Or if you want the advanced version, you can bar the entire 2nd fret, add your middle finger on the 3rd fret of A string. Okay, so now that we know the chords, let's practice when to switch chords. So we're going to hang out on G minor 16 beats. 2, 3, 4, until we reach 16. C minor is 8. D7 is 8. When we're counting in music, we don't count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 until 16. We count usually in 4s. So we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Because we know 4 times 4 is 16. Now what I'm doing in the verse is I'm strumming every time I'm saying a syllable. So white shirt, now red, my blood, no sleeping. You're on your tippy toes, creeping around like no one else, thinking so criminal. Now we've run out of words after we said criminal, so what I do there is a left hand mute, which is just a sleepy hand on the fretboard, not squeezing, just sleepy, and I go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. So let me show you how I'm playing the verse. 1, 2, ready, and white shirt, now red, my blood, you know sleeping, you're on your tippy toes, creeping around like no one else, think you're so criminal. Okay, so let's try that together. 1, 2, we got this. 1, 2, ready, go. White shirt, now red, my blood, you know sleeping, you're on your tippy toes, creeping around like no one else, think you're so criminal. Chaka, chaka. If right now you're just learning the song and you just want to play for fun and you don't want to worry about like down up or anything like that, then just make them all down strums. White shirt, now red, my blood, no sleeping, you're on your tippy toes, creeping around like no one else, thinking so criminal. And it works just fine. Okay, so now let's get into the strumming pattern. We're going to do a tap and an up strum. Tap, up. But it's going to be fast. Let me show you first how fast we'll be playing, and then I'll slow it down so we can practice it. So you're a tough girl, like a really rough girl. Okay, so that's how fast we're going to do it, but let's start here. Just for the sake of practice. So I'm just doing a little slap and an up strum. Let's do that on G minor. 1, 2, you can do it. 1, 2, ready, go. I'm gonna hang out here for a while, so don't worry. Just G minor. Tap, tap, up, tap, up, tap, up, tap. Let me go slower. There we go. Okay, let's try it on C minor. 1, 2, ready, go. Tap, up, tap, up, tap, up, tap, up. Let's try it on D7. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, so we start with the tap. 1, 2, 1, 2, let's try. Go. Tough girl, like a really rough girl, just can't get enough. Girl, just always so puffed. Girl, switch that type, make your mama sad type. Your girl for my type, just your that type. So I'm the bad guy. Duh. Switch. Switch. And you've done the whole song. Throughout this tutorial, I've been playing this solid mahogany ukulele from Enya. This is a ukulele that I would recommend, so I'm going to link it down below. It's a solid mahogany top, back, and sides. And it also has these beautiful agate tuners. Excuse my hair tie. I put my hair ties here so that I can hang my ukes. But anyway, I'll link this down below. If you like the sound of the ukulele, you can find it there. Alrighty, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know which song you'd like me to teach next, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Sayonara!